Hey everyone, Technomentor here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix cannot connect to iTunes Store on your iPhone. We're going to explain why you may be seeing this and how you can fix it. So generally, when this happens, a couple of reasons. It could be because of your network issue, Apple server problem, or account glitches. And I'm going to walk you through each of the steps so you can fix it. The very first thing is pull down the control menu and put your phone on airplane mode briefly and then turn it off. And that is a quick network refresh. The other thing you also want to check out is if you're on cellular data, you want to try to use a Wi-Fi and seeing if that works. And reversely, if you're on Wi-Fi, try using cellular data just to make sure that the internet connection isn't causing any issues. Now, after you have done that, the next thing you want to do is in the settings, go to General, and then you're going to go to date and time and make sure the date and time is correct here. Sometimes if you're traveling or moving between zone, it might change. If you can turn off automatically and adjust it manually, but ideally you should set it to automatically to pick up the date as well. Now, if you're still having the issue, the next thing to do is simply going ahead and checking if it's an Apple server related issue. So if you can open up a browser, just search up Apple system status. Now, when you search up Apple system status, it's going to take you to one of the very first Apple website, which is going to show you all the services that Apple has in their server. So you're going to look for example, iTunes here. So we're going to look for iTunes in this list where it says iTunes Store. It says available. That means it's working right now. In a case it says unavailable, you just have to wait until Apple fixes their server. Sometimes it happens when they're doing maybe some maintenance or any work or some reason their servers are down, and generally have to wait it out. Now, if you're still having an issue, the next thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is simply just sign out of your Apple account here by going to setting, tap on your Apple ID, and then sign out and then sign back in as well. This will not delete any of your data, just signing in and out of your account. Now, if you're still having the issue, the next thing you want to do is go ahead and simply check you don't have any restrictions on your account. So in your setting, you're going to go to content and privacy. So under screen time and from settings, you're going to check content and privacy restriction. If you have this turned on, especially where it says iTunes one, right, any of these, you want to go ahead and simply turn that off. You may need a password if it's a password that was set. So you're going to turn that off as well. And then, of course, if it's still not working, let's say you had the app open, just simply close it out and restart your phone. You can usually do this by holding the volume up and side button and then slide to power off. Or you can go ahead and follow this method, which you're going to quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then hold down the side button until the screen goes completely black. The Apple logo appears. So I'll do volume up, volume down, and then I hold down the side button. And you're going to wait until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears before we let go of that side button. As you can see here, it is shutting off, and this is known as a forced restart that I'm doing, and I let go. This will not delete any of your data. Again, safe to do. Go ahead and try this, and like I said, if you can get it the very first time, you're going to do it again. All I did was quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then I was holding down the side button until the screen went completely black and the Apple logo appear. Now, let's say if you're still not able to connect, the next thing you want to do is update the phone software. So in your settings, go to General, Software Update, and check if there's an update for the phone. If there is, go ahead and update the phone as well to the latest version here. So here, as you can see here, I don't have an update, but go ahead and update it. Now, another thing you want to check out from the main settings here, you go to General, iPhone storage, make sure you have enough storage available. Sometimes if you're maxed out, so I'm using 20 gigs out of 128 gig, but if you're close to the full amount, you need to delete some stuff like apps, maybe some videos and photos, because iTunes requires a certain amount of storage to properly load. You want to clear that up as well. And last, if you're still having issue, what you want to do is from the main settings here, you're going to General and then scroll down to transfer reset iPhone, click on reset. You want to do a quick network reset. What a network reset will do is just basically reset the network settings itself. It will not delete anything on your phone, but important step to do. So these are all the things you need to do in order to fix it. I hope it is fixed. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. I'll see you guys next time.